Aiwadika Adekak kotoma computer ngesi achopi kotoma dexino palisa araida ijale madekisha kiere no Apollo ko Uganda no kesi kwana Etegear kanu aburwa kine somailo lemsek lode to somaire etabona Aiwadika akrone kamuntosi adekan lode rai aradisi lo palisa majid duksoka ngesa Apollo kinta subananu
the government of Uganda has taken the honor officially launch this system, which is going to help and improve service delivery in the hospital for God and my country. The president is very, very keen to make sure that our people get services and services are near to the people. And one of the measures is this system which I have just launched, which is going to help the attendance of the health workers, which is going to reduce the stealing of the drugs because it monitors the patient and the health workers.
Edimon kitendere loda ejukuniti erungete loka ngalo aitutori imurokula deksa no palisa ngesa bala bonibe ejokonoi esistimulo na ara ibuna tebebe na swam idobe akro arabonte record lo adekan epaikino system arade junara deksa chie na Apollo ni kanani kwa kiningesi aijana kinamukyan.
I have been here actually for quite some time and we are trying to implement the EMR system on the ground, which will be used to manage patients, keep patient records, and also manage the flow of work at the hospital.
System at clinic is very stable. At first, with the systems, in the beginning there are some issues, but as long as the users are interested, and we have to interest the users to make sure they use the system. So the one critical thing is user trainings and continuous mentorship. With this system, if we just stop here at this launch, the users may get frustrated and this may be at a standstill. But I would encourage user support to support users all the times. These systems are so good. It's a one-time investment, but it's cheap compared to the paper-based ones.
Dr. David Okoth lenera kiada ngenya ngesi abala boniebe kotoma adexino palisa polole mkesawo nyara Aiwadika Adekak kotoma etabo konye dokwana kerara computer ebuni atebebe na swam idoebe muroko kiere akotata kaisa kanyeu kanyare adumute tuturo Kanwa TV East Lawrence Okwakol kwa palisa.